Alright, this is Brooke. I'm going to do some tests on the BenchBudEE board. So what you'll see is in the upper left hand corner is the oscilloscope that's looking at pin 10. So that'll get us our PWM outputs. In the upper right hand corner is meter 1. That's where I'm going to show all the voltage readings I'm picking up. And then the meter 2, which is directly underneath it, is the amperage is being pulled by the fan that's connected down here, and the meter is just in line with the positive side to get our amperage. So first I'm going to let you know that the DAC is always sending a value of 10 all the time. My PWM values are 255, 192, 128, 64, and 0, and each one of those values is used for 5 seconds. And what I'm going to be sampling for voltage is the DAC out test point, the Opamp pin 5 non-inverting input, pin 6 inverting input, pin 7 output, and then the FET 4, so Q4, the gate voltage. We're going to start with the DAC out test point. So the first we're seeing PWM of a 255, 192, 128, 64, back to 0. And we start over. Next, we're going to do Opamp pin 5 non-inverting input. Our PWM value of 255 comes first. Now that was our 192, 128, 64, 0. And back at 255. Next up is pin 6 of the Opamp, the inverting input. That's the 255 level. There's the 192, 128, and 64, and then 0. Next up is pin 7, the output from the Opamp. PWM of 255, 192, 128, 64, and 0. And now the gate voltage on Q4, the FET that's controlled by the Opamp. We're at 255 for PWM, 192, 128, 64, and 0. And next I will do the drain to source resistance. So the meter 1 in the top right now will be the drain to source ohms instead of being volts. The first couple of readings, my probes weren't very well connected to the one of the 2 points. But as you can see, I'm basically getting 4 mega ohms, which, as I understand, tells me that my gate's not, or my FET's not letting anything through. So that's the end of my measurement taking for the BenchBudEE, specifically my concern with Q4 not looking like it's getting enough voltage at the gate to allow it to let current pass. Thanks.